Guys, guess what we are cooking? You guys are not good in guessing. That's why I refuses not to ask you to guess. Guys, let's dive into this. So, what are we making? We are just making moi moi. Guys, if you know you never try making your special moi moi like this, guys, you are really missing a lot. Okay, let's dive into this. But before then, guys, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel and you are still contemplating should I subscribe or shouldn't I subscribe, please, once you are interested in what we are doing here and this my video interests you, please kindly, after watching it, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification so whenever we upload a video like this you'll be notified. So let's dive into this. Please guys, share the live, share the live, share the video. Thank you. So guys, we are making moi moi. This is a special moi moi for you if you've never tried it. Sorry I didn't start making this video initially because I don't know. I started but I don't know. After filming it, I don't know what's up. The video just wiped away. So please, pardon, bear with me. Next time I gonna try starting it from the scratch. So please don't skip this video. Watch from the beginning to the end. This gonna encourage you to keep preparing more and more if you've never tried such before. Okay, so how did we go about preparing this moi moi? Guys, buy your mash, your peel beans, or you can still peel and mash it yourself. It depends how you scheduled your time. If you don't feel like you have time for this, kindly buy the already peeled one. But if you have time to match it yourself, just use your hand to peel the beans. So as for me, I bought the peeled beans. That's what I use for my moi moi. So the ingredients many. So after peeling the beans, or as in when you buy the peeled beans, guys, soak it from night till morning so that it will become soft, so that while blending it, it will not spoil your blender. And trust me, after blending it, it will look fluffy. Guys, they say all was and no play, merge as a dull boy. Guys, if I feel like I've said a lot, because once you are narrating something, sometimes your saliva may be drying. So what helps me to keep my saliva going is my lollipop or water. So I feel like sometimes I don't want, if I'm in congregation, when I notice that if I take water, I'll be feeling pee or as in, yeah, so I felt like taking this lollipop. So guys, this helped me to keep going in terms of talking. So some people will ask, can you tell us the name of the bonbon? This poopy, this poopy, slush poopy. This tastes so good. It didn't come with a lot of sugar. The sugar is minor. But I didn't say if you are getting advanced, you should keep licking all these things. I take it once in a blue moon, especially when I feel like my saliva is drying. That's when I take it. Or you can take water. Water is more gooder than all of them. Or if you feel like, as in, if you take water, you still feeling as in easing yourself. You can manage to take this one. Okay guys, let's proceed. Okay, so this time I've mentioned everything we use on our moi moi, which I gonna also write down in the description down below so that you can pick up the kind of thing you're gonna add on your moi moi, which gonna help it taste so very good. Guys, this special moi moi, that's why I didn't put up everything, because I'm just rushing. I just want to make it as in I'm in a hands. I just want to make it snappy. So bear with me. Next time I'm gonna start from the beginning to show you on how to start making this from the scratch. Guys, definitely I filmed the video but I don't know what's up. The thing just wiped. So pardon me, let's begin here. So I'm gonna list all the ingredients I used to blend my moi in the description. But before then, let me just pinpoint a bit, as in few things. Onion shouldn't be lacking. Maggi, cooked fish with juicy fish juicy water. Bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, crayfish, onion. What else have I not mentioned? Ginger, garlic. You can put a little bit blended nutmeg, just a tiny one. Then blend all of them together. Put your tomatoes. I put in tomatoes in order for it to be colorful. If you feel like your reddish bell pepper is not enough, you can put in tomatoes. This is gonna help it look colorful. And go ahead to put eggs as well. I cracked like 2 pieces of eggs here, but it's optional. But if you just want your own way to taste so good and look yummy and taste yummy, just kindly, add all these things you heard me mentioned. Okay, but that wouldn't stop me not to, list it down in the description down below. So after I put in a cup like this, moi cup or moi aluminium cup. When I feel like it wouldn't enter the cups, I manage using this nylon to as well put my moi as well. If you feel like the nylon is so soft, the cellophane is so soft, you can still double it so that while cooking it e no go loose. So this is how we manage getting everything done. So as in, some people would like ask, for how long will this my be done? Guys, when you put it on the fire, when you transfer your pot to the fire and start cooking, set your timer to 1 hour. Once it's 1 hour, your moi is done. So it doesn't take much time. Just prepare everything ahead, cooked it for like 1 hour. So guys, look at the outcome of our moi. So you can use eggs to design your moi while cooking it, or you can use fish. As you can see, you are seeing little atom of fish on it. Guys, this adding all this can help your moi boom. It can help it taste so good. So we can't wait to taste this. Guys, I can't feed you and spoon feed you. Kindly rush with your plate and your spoon. Let's taste this together. Guys, please, I thank God beg you, after watching any of my video, kindly give it a try and thank me later. Hope you find this cooking of some value. If yes, let me know in the comment section. If no, guys, kindly try this yourself. And guys, let me know other ingredients you manage adding in your moi because beans does not require much pre-ingredients. So that's why you shouldn't go further to add too much spices and seasoning. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye.